the third day of the celebration. Epiphany is known to be one of the biggest events here in Ethiopia. It happens every once in a year in January, and it goes within 3 days to 5 days. Despite being delayed to arrive in Gonda, I made it here on time on the eve of Epiphany, which is going to be the main celebration here in Gonda. So now we are walking in the streets of Gonda, and this is the current situation. So you would think it's a demonstration or something, but people are celebrating Epiphany or Timkat, one of the two. And yes, this is the situation of everywhere, all the streets here in Gonda. Small groups, big groups of people as they sing, but I'm told we are going to see the Ark of Covenant. All these Ethiopians have gathered up to come to Gonda to celebrate the Epiphany celebration. And I know you might be wondering, what is Epiphany celebration? Epiphany celebration is the celebration of Jesus Christ being baptized. Yes, I also didn't know there's such a ceremony, but coming here, I got to learn how valuable the baptism of Jesus Christ is to Ethiopians, because as I have mentioned in my previous videos, most of Ethiopians are Christians, and in the Orthodox side of Christianity, where they value and respect some of these practices in the Bible, like for example the celebration of Jesus Christ being baptized. I also got to learn that Ethiopians believe that the Ark of Covenant was brought to Ethiopia, and thus the Ark of Covenant is being transported to where the baptism is going to be happening for other Ethiopians tomorrow, which we are going to be witnessing. So I don't know if you can hear me, but we made it here and the Ark of Covenant is here. People are getting inside the church and where the baptism is going to be happening. The whole night they are going to be there, but meanwhile... Number of people here, crazy. So today is day 2 and I have come to witness in the morning before the baptism happens. And can you see all these people? Ethiopians are very devoted to their religion and to their practices, and some of these people have spent the whole night here, and some others are still flocking in before the baptism ceremony starts happening. Otherwise, the whole night it was about praying, singing, and just listening to the priest and all that. After some time, the priest declares the water holy and blesses the water, and people get to be baptized once again, and that is where the drama starts as people dive inside the pool. The water is declared to be holy, and thus, even if you don't know how to swim, you should be able to take the water and pour on yourself, or just make yourself have some portion of the water on your body, and that way you are blessed and baptized again. After the baptism, people go back on the streets for them to be able to enjoy and celebrate and be in a happy mood as they sing and dance. the third day of the celebration. Not sure you can even hear me, but I'm here at the St. Michael celebration because the Ark of Covenant is going to be coming here and we're going to be witnessing that. Today the celebration entails the Ark of Covenant being transported from the church, or from where the ceremony was happening and all the baptism was happening, to back to the churches and where the Ark of Covenant stays. And this is the current state initially of Gonda, but it is about to change. So I am currently in this park and there are so many people here. See behind me. See on the other side. More people here celebrating and just being in a holiday mood and in a celebration mood. So much energy. I respect Ethiopians for lots of energy. In the crowd and the beautiful friends that I met, but you can't stop. Everyone is now moving to one direction, to one of the biggest street party that I have ever attended, with traditional dance, beautiful people, happy people, all for a good party. This is by far the most high intense energy party I have ever attended before. Believe you me, because the energy here is crazy. Anyway, I had so much fun. I danced, I enjoyed singing, attempted to sing as well, to enjoy and just party and be in a good, happy mood. The energy and the joy and the smiles and the happy souls of Ethiopians is enough reasons for me to enjoy my time here. This was definitely one of the loveliest party and celebration that I have ever attended, and I would recommend to you anytime you're in Ethiopia around January, come and experience the Gonda Epiphany celebration. You will definitely love it. And thank you for your continued support on my Ethiopian series.